Hey gardeners, thank you so much for watching. Today I am emptying out this pot of King Tut grass by Proven Winners so that I can plant in this pot Little Lime Punch by Proven Winners. The King Tut grass I haven't really looked at it this year, honestly, and I have another one in the front, but I'm just kind of done with it for now. I might put it in another pot, we'll see. So I gathered some fresh soil. This is Pro Mix soil. I love Pro Mix soil. It is the best soil. To use outdoors, I love it in anything that's potted. I love to use Pro Mix if I can. Indoor plants, I will modify this. Like, this is a great base soil. So like if I'm doing succulents or anything that needs like a little extra, this is a good base soil that you can modify. You can add perlite, orchid bark, like whatever you want to make it fit perfectly for your house plants or even outdoor plants. Whatever you're planting, this is a great soil and I love it. And I'm not modifying it for this hydrangea because I think it is perfect in its current state. So just look how fluffy this soil is. It comes compressed. This is not an ad, I promise you, but this is just my favorite soil to use. So it comes in a compressed package. I typically store it in like a storage tub in my house, and I use that for my houseplants all winter, spring, summer, fall, whenever. So yeah, it's the best. I typically buy it from Walmart. It's around 12 to 13 bucks. So right now I'm just loosening the root ball, just doing a little bit. It doesn't really need much loosening. It's going to grow out in this pot before winter hits. And I'm not adding any fertilizer to this. Proven Winners is very good at fertilizing their plants. In the spring, I will add a little fertilizer to the soil, but for now, it does not need any extra kick for fall and winter. So this soil actually goes pretty far. I think it's 2 CUs. I might be saying that wrong, but it goes pretty far for me, especially like I'm using it on houseplants a lot. So right now I'm just watering it in to see how the soil will settle, see if I need to add any more soil to the top, which I do, especially in the back area. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that soil in. And just check out how gorgeous this plant is. Look at those blooms. I cannot wait to see this plant come next year. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!